top crypto to invest in today, August 2nd, Bitcoin, BTC, Solana, Sol, Near, Protocol, Near. Joel Frank last updated August 3rd, 2024 at 3:07 GMT 33 minutes. Read. Top crypto to invest in today, August 2nd, Bitcoin, BTC, Solana, Sol, Near, Protocol, Near. Source. Cryptonews. Blue chip cryptocurrencies took a beating on Friday after much softer than expected U.S. jobs data triggered recession fear-related risk-off across risk assets, with investors not hunting for the top crypto to invest in today to take advantage of the latest market dip. Bitcoin BTC dumped over 5% to test its 200 DMA in the mid-minus $61,000. BTC's dip below its 200 DMA in early July didn't last long, leading some investors to ask whether history might repeat itself. It's true that the 200 DMA is a strong and important support or resistance level for Bitcoin, but whereas macro was a tailwind for most of July, August could be an ugly month in risk assets like stocks and crypto. The latest week U.S. jobs figures have triggered fears that the Fed made a mistake earlier in the week when they held interest rates steady. Investors fear that the Fed may have left interest rates too high for too long. Indeed, the latest jobs data triggered the famous SOM recession warning. Recessions cause a lot of uncertainty about corporate profitability, forcing investors from riskier assets into safer ones. So Bitcoin may have some distance to go to the downside. Could Bitcoin still be the top crypto to invest in today? That said, a recession would probably mean a lot of interest rate cuts from the Fed. In fact, macro traders drastically upped their bets that the Fed cuts interest rates by 50 BPS in September to over 70% per CME data. Easing financial conditions would eventually be a tailwind for Bitcoin. Politics remains an uncertainty. VP Kamala Harris is catching Trump in the polls for November's presidential election. Given Trump has come out as ardently pro-crypto and Harris is associated with the anti-crypto policies of the Biden administration, this is also likely weighing on markets. But a growing throng of Democrats are pushing for a more pro-crypto stance within the party. The era of anti-crypto policy could well already be over. Easing financial conditions, political tailwinds, and the lagging positive impact of the halving could all still lift Bitcoin to new record highs later this year or next. Investors should also note that Bitcoin remains the oldest, most trusted, most secure, and most decentralized of all existing cryptos, and that isn't likely to change anytime soon. Bitcoin remains a strong candidate for top crypto to invest in today. But for investors who already own Bitcoin, are there any other cryptos they should check out? Solana. Sol. Solana Sol is one of the leading smart contract-enabled blockchain protocols and has been a huge narrative in the last year. Its eye-catching pump from 2023 lows around 13 to 2024 highs above $200 was driven by a surge in adoption. Namely, Solana has become the main home of meme coin trading and is a major market leader. Last at $152.50. SALT probing its 50 and 200 DMAs in the $145 minus 152 area. It already bounced from a test of its 200 DMA earlier in the year, and history could be about to repeat. Even if SOL does fall further, it remains well within its recent 120 to 200-ish range. Investors should consider continuing to dollar cost average into Solana Sol whilst it consolidates below earlier yearly highs, but it remains one of the top cryptos to invest in today. Near Protocol Near. Those looking for quick gains might want to check out Near Protocol Near, which is currently testing key resistance at $4.60. This has been a key resistance turn support zone going back to late 2023. A quick 2x rebound back to yearly highs near $9 could be on the cards. That said, if Near breaks below this key support zone, a 50% drop back to the next support area in the mid $2 is possible. So investors must be cautious. They may get caught out. Follow us on Google News.